Hello and welcome to another WordPress video tutorial. My name is Ufuk and in this tutorial I will show you how to install and use WP Reset plugin. WP Reset quickly resets the site's database to the default installation values without modifying any files. It deletes all customizations and content or just chosen parts like theme settings. It has multiple fail-safe mechanism so you can never accidentally lose data. Are you ready to start? Let's go! First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for Reset in the Search plugin field. Several plugins will be listed. We will use WP Reset. It has already over 200,000 active installations and a 5-star rating, and is also compatible with WordPress version 5.3.2. To install WP Reset, click on the Install Now button. Once installed, click on the blue Activate button. Now navigate to Tools, WP Reset. Before showing you how to reset your WordPress installation, let's take a look at some features. Under Tools, you have also the option to clean up the Uploads folder, reset theme options, delete themes, delete plugins, empty or delete custom tables, and even delete your htaccess file. To make sure that you don't delete anything important in mistake, you have the option to create snapshots of your theme options, custom tables and transients. To reset the site, navigate to the Reset tab, and in the bottom there's a Reset field. Before resetting, you can choose if you want to reactivate your current theme, reactivate WP Reset plugin, or reactivate all currently active plugins. If you type now Reset in the field and click on Reset Site, you will get a warning and ask you if you are sure that you want to reset the site. I say yes, so I click on Reset WordPress, and now the resetting is in progress. We are waiting, and now you have a fresh install of WordPress. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For any questions, please use the comment field below. Thanks for watching.